Hey everybody, as always, I hope you're doing well out there. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the stopwatch on your Suunto Core watch. Now, I'm using the Suunto Core Alpha Stealth. Doesn't matter which version Suunto Core you've got. The video is going to work the same for everybody. So this is one of the features I really like how Suunto did on this watch because nothing drives me crazier than having to go to a different screen for my stopwatch. With the Suunto Core, basically all you have to do is make sure that you've got the stopwatch set as a value in your time mode on your screen. So you can see right now on my screen, all we're showing is the hours and the minutes for my watch. If I want to use the stopwatch, all I'm going to do is press the view button a couple of times. Until my stopwatch is showing on the display. So now I've got my time up top and my stopwatch on the bottom. If I want to start the stopwatch, all I'm going to do is press the start and stop button once, and my stopwatch is started. If I want to stop it, again, I'll press the start stop button. I've stopped it. If I want to resume, I can continue. Again, I can stop it. And then when I'm ready to reset it, all I'm going to do is press the up button, which is the right button at the upper side on the right hand side. I'm going to press and hold it, and that'll reset my stopwatch. Very simple. Once you're done with it, you can either leave it on the screen or you can press the view button to go back to a different view on your watch time mode. I hope the video makes sense, but if you got any questions, post them in the comments. Be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching.